Nutritional content of food products. Nutritional analysis technologies, such as spectroscopy and mass spectrometry, can provide detailed information on the nutrient content of food products, allowing consumers to make more informed decisions about their diet. Food delivery and ordering. Technology has also transformed the way food is ordered and delivered to consumers. Online ordering platforms and food delivery apps have made it easier than ever for consumers to order food from their favorite restaurants, while smart delivery technologies can ensure that food is delivered quickly and at the correct temperature. Food safety training. Finally, technology has also improved food safety training for food industry workers. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies can provide workers with immersive training experiences that simulate real-world food safety hazards, allowing them to practice identifying and addressing potential risks in a safe and controlled environment. Robotics and automation. Robotics and automation have also played an important role in the food manufacturing industry, improving efficiency and reducing waste. Robotic systems can handle tedious and repetitive tasks, such as packaging and sorting, with greater speed and accuracy than human workers. Automation technologies, such as conveyor systems, can also improve efficiency by streamlining the production process and reducing the risk of human error. Food safety monitoring. Technology has also improved food safety monitoring, allowing for more accurate and timely detection of potential contaminants or hazards. For example, microbiological testing technologies can detect harmful bacteria in food products, while chemical testing technologies can detect the presence of harmful substances, such as pesticides or heavy metals. These technologies help ensure that food products are safe for consumption. 3D printing. 3D printing is a relatively new technology that has the potential to transform the food manufacturing industry. 3D printing can be used to create unique and innovative food products, such as customized snacks or desserts. Additionally, 3D printing can be used to create complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. Artificial intelligence, Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the food manufacturing industry by improving efficiency, reducing waste, and enhancing food safety. AI can be used to analyze data from sensors and other monitoring systems, allowing for more accurate and timely detection of potential issues. Additionally, AI can be used to optimize production processes, reduce energy consumption, and improve product quality. Smart farming. Smart farming is a concept that uses technology to optimize farming practices and improve efficiency. Smart farming technologies include precision agriculture, robotics, and AI, which can be used to monitor and optimize crop growth and reduce waste. Smart farming can also help reduce the environmental impact of farming by reducing the use of pesticides and fertilizers. Blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger technology that has the potential to revolutionize the food manufacturing industry by improving traceability and transparency. Blockchain can be used to track food products from farm to table, providing consumers with information on the origin and safety of their food. Additionally, blockchain can help reduce the risk of food fraud by providing a tamper-proof record of the supply chain. Augmented reality, Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that superimposes digital images onto the real world.